switch T's appointment today. We were not supposed to be here today. The appointment is on Thursday. I got confused, but Dr. Tess is very gracious to see him today. So hey guys, this is the other room of Dr. Tess's clinic, and in this area she has a mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT, a sonitus chamber. There you go. This is the compression table, decompression table after his chiropractic adjustment today.
Like it's going more on the right or the left?
Yeah. Not this way.
Yeah. So I need to go this way?
No, not this way.
Back that way.
I don't think so.
Okay. This wire over here so it doesn't fall. There we go. Okay. And do you feel it all the way down your neck?
Yes.
Okay. You are good then.
So last week, Dr. Tess had an open house here at her clinic, but sadly I was not able to take a day off, so Tia and I weren't able to attend. But we are so glad that Dr. Tess and Dawn saved 2 bags, one for me and T. So let's check out what's in each bag. Here's my bag. Let's see. Got a candy. Dark chocolate coconut bar. Oh, I got a vitamin D3. Yay. Thank you guys for joining today's vlog. Bye.